core functionality of SQL Tran is, of course, translation of SQL code from source dialect to target. The way we do this is relying on our Hummingbird parsing and static analysis, but in the end, you get an idiomatic code that's generated accurately, similar way how an experienced database developer would write it by hand. So let's see, what do we do? If I click on new project here and use one of our test databases here, let's just write this as test. So if you go, for example, into any table, you'll see this is a source, this is a target. You'll see a bunch of comments here where we change things and we mark it as changed. If you go instead of tables to views, depending on the view complexity, we may change some things. Maybe we don't even have to change it depending on the functionality gap between the source and target database. However, I can search, for example, and show you for emulations, just to demonstrate that we actually do significant transformations where needed. So if there is no need to touch anything, we'll do minimal touch-ups, right? For example, like here, we're changing varchar max into varchar 8000 here, right? But for example, because merge statement is not supported in the Fabric Warehouse and it is supported in AppSource SQL Server, we are actually, instead of this one merge statement, we are writing an update plus insert. And we do this on a very large scale across all of your database objects instantly. So the list of emulations that we do going from SQL Server to Fabric Warehouse is pretty long, and we'll have dedicated videos for each of such emulations. But I think the important thing here is we do what is the closest possible equivalent in Fabric Warehouse automatically, leaving you to maybe tweak things a little bit where you desire to write some things in a different way if required, and to focus on testing.